Hi, welcome to Season 2 of Star in VR. This week we've got Andy with us. Andy, tell us a bit about yourself.
So my name's Andy Beggan, I'm the Dean of Digital Education. I lead a small team who support the learning systems that we use across campus. So probably you'll be most familiar with the stuff that we do through Blackboard, but we also do lynda.com, we also do Turnitin, we also do Poll Everywhere, and we work with academics to make use of the learning technologies that are out there to enhance the teaching and learning, so to give students a really great learning experience. So our role really is about really just trying to enhance learning through technology.
Are there any recent projects that you've done that you're particularly proud of?
Well, one of the ones we launched this academic year was lynda.com for all staff and all students. We piloted it last year and it's been really well received, and we've rolled it out this year and the uptake has been great. Students are using it and it's really fantastic to see just what courses are being most popular and the breadth for those, and it covers a whole range of things from creative stuff to programming languages through business skills, even how to have an effective CV. It covers a range of stuff and really starting to get adopted and embedded within a lot of student activities and student courses.
Yeah. I actually used that recently for, I studied the MTA for databases, and I think I passed because of it. So
that's great. That's really good.
So how does your role benefit students?
Directly and indirectly. Directly through support for academics to use tools which they can use for the online support and all the access to all those learning resources that they have, but also indirectly through our kind of digital vision that we have here at the university, which really sums up as one word: confidence. What we're trying to instill within all of our students, wherever academic field of study they happen to be in, is confidence with digital technologies, and by that we mean they're savvy, they're able to make discerning choices about what they use, that they're inventive, they can problem solve, and that they're resilient, they can work around issues that come up. And I think they're key assets that we're trying to instill in all our students so they can be successful when they leave university, because they're the kind of skill sets that are going to make them successful when they leave university.
We keep getting told that the workplace is changing. What digital skills do you think students need when they leave?
That's a really good question, and it's a really tough one to predict the answer to, because, as you know, technologies are constantly changing. But the key asset is going to be for students to be flexible, and it goes back to that confidence word I mentioned earlier. It's about being able to create digital assets, it's about being able to communicate your thoughts with your peers, and it's about being able to collaborate with people. And that doesn't mean using technologies per se, but being able to use those technologies to achieve those aims. So they're the kind of key assets you're going to need in the workplace. It's much more about thinking about how you work along with other people than it is about how you do it.
So you just had your lap. How did it feel? How do you think it went?
It was a lot of fun. Typically, I felt more confident in the practice runs than I did in the actual race itself. I started to put my foot down rather than actually concentrate on what I was doing. But it was a lot of fun. As long as I'm above Chris, I'll be happy. So interested to see how I did.
Let's see how it went. So we've just looked at your lap, and I can confirm that you did it in 2:44.8, which you beat Chris.
Oh.
You have beat Chris. So that's that.
Darn it. I did much better in my non-practice run.